Amazon molly. How a sex-skipping fish defies evolutionary logic. The Amazon molly, an all-female fish species found along the Mexico-Texas border, presents a fascinating challenge to traditional evolutionary theory. This fish reproduces asexually by cloning itself, which, according to established principles, should lead to a rapid accumulation of harmful genetic mutations and eventual extinction. Yet, despite lacking sexual reproduction, the Amazon molly has thrived for over 100,000 years, defying expectations. The paradox of asexual reproduction. Darwinian evolution relies on genetic mixing through sexual reproduction. This process shuffles genes, purging deleterious mutations and promoting beneficial ones. Asexual species, lacking this mechanism, were long assumed to be evolutionary dead ends. The Amazon molly disproves this. It survives by actively rewriting its own genome. Gene conversion. The fish's secret weapon. Recent research published in Nature reveals the Amazon molly uses gene conversion, a DNA repair mechanism, to counteract mutation buildup. This process essentially copies and pastes genetic code between chromosomes, erasing harmful mutations while spreading advantageous ones. It's pushing back against this accumulation of mutations, explains Wes Warren, a comparative genomicist at the University of Missouri. This isn't just theoretical. Scientists now have evidence that gene conversion keeps the molly's genome stable over generations. How it works. A genomic rewrite. The Amazon molly isn't entirely independent of males. It needs them to trigger egg development, but once that happens, females clone themselves, passing on nearly identical genetic material. Improved DNA sequencing tools allowed researchers to track the fish's paired chromosomes and pinpoint the frequency of gene conversion events. The results mirrored findings from simpler organisms like rotifers and water fleas, confirming that this mechanism can indeed stabilize asexual genomes. Implications for evolutionary theory. The discovery has significant implications. Asexual evolution isn't necessarily doomed. Gene conversion provides a pathway for asexual species to persist, challenging the long-held belief that sex is the only viable long-term evolutionary strategy. DNA repair is a key evolutionary force. The study emphasizes that DNA repair mechanisms, like gene conversion, play a crucial role in shaping the genetic fate of clonal species. Hybrid compatibility. The process also appears to resolve genetic mismatches that arise from the molly's hybrid origins, ensuring its genes work together effectively. Caveats and further research. While gene conversion helps, it's not a perfect substitute for sex. The molly still accumulates mutations faster than sexually reproducing species, and it misses out on the vast genetic diversity created by sexual mixing. However, these findings prompt scientists to reevaluate the evolutionary logic behind sex and the potential survival strategies of clonal organisms. It really forces us to think outside of the box and outside of the textbooks. Notes Anne-Marie Diancate, an evolutionary geneticist. The Amazon molly demonstrates that evolution is more flexible than once believed, and that even species defying conventional wisdom can thrive by hacking the system.